Alright, if Tinfoil is acting weird, downloads fail, games don't appear, or the shop just refuses to load, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick 2-minute fix that solves most tinfoil issues in 2026. Most problems come from outdated cache files or broken source syncing after updates. So instead of reinstalling everything, we're just going to refresh the system properly. First, open Tinfoil and head into the settings menu from the left sidebar. Just scroll down until you see it. Next, find the clear cache option and select it. This removes corrupted data but keeps all your configurations safe. Yeah, nothing important gets deleted. Now go to the File Browser or Shop Sources section and refresh the source list. This forces Tinfoil to download updated game information. After that, completely close the app, not just minimize it, then reopen Tinfoil. This rebuilds the database and applies the fixes. If you still see errors, quickly check your internet connection in System Settings. A weak connection can stop shops from syncing properly. Now head back to the New Games or Shop section. You should see games loading normally again, downloads working, and lists updating, and that's it. A full tinfoil fix in about 2 minutes. If this helped you out, save the video so you can use it again later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.